always bad. Lying anywhere, but particularly lying in the context of a workers' comp case, either lying to a claims CSS, or lying at an industrial commission hearing, lying in court, lying to your doctor. It's never going to be a good idea. And what ended up happening in this full commission order that was heard on May 6th of 2025 is this person had administratively, they were pursuing a disc herniation. And so they would go to these hearings and they would testify. I've never, before this work injury, I never had back issues and I never had back treatment. And they would go to hearing and hearing and hearing and say this, and their claim was allowed for disc herniation. Presumably the employer filed that allowed disc herniation to court, and through the course of deposing the injured worker, and I'm assuming in the course of discovery and doing their background check, it was revealed that the injured worker, in fact, 2 or 3 years prior to the work injury, had actively been treating for a back injury. So everything that he had said at all these hearings was a lie. So they filed what's called a request for a new and changed circumstances and asked that continuing jurisdiction from the Industrial Commission to reopen the issue of the allowance of the disc herniation. And their new and changed circumstances was, hey, it was revealed that there were in fact was this prior back medical history that nobody was aware of before. So the full commission heard that and they reversed it. They disallowed the disc herniation. So, and also it looks like the employer was trying to pursue fraud, but that wasn't dealt with in this full commission hearing. But bottom line is, you cannot hide, and occasionally this happens even with my clients. It's like you cannot hide your medical history. Your medical history is you could just assume that it's going to be discovered somewhere. If you've gotten medical treatment, it's going to be documented, and that's going to be discovered, and it's going to come to light. So always come clean about everything that related to whatever body part you're pursuing the claim. If you're pursuing back issues, back conditions, and you've had prior back treatment, you got to let your attorney know that. And because otherwise you're going to run into a situation like this full commission order. But the other thing is, you want your attorney to be fully aware of your medical history so that they can anticipate, okay, well, we know that, we could deal with it. We could ask the doctor, your medical provider, hey, what impact does this have on this work injury? Maybe it's not going to hurt at all, but they have to be aware of it and work around it. You can't just hide it. That's not going to happen. It's never going to happen. It's going to bite you in the butt when you do. So don't lie about your medical history. Don't lie in general, but don't lie about your medical history.